And we're back from Basel after spotting watches and jewelry for an entire week. We did get our hands on 4 jewelry objects that are kind of cool and worth checking out. One of the first objects we got our hands on is Aethon the dragon, from the legend that says, "He who sees and he who thinks." It's a solid piece of gold weighing about 5 kilograms and set with 8,000 diamonds, roughly 108 carats. The creator, Andres Altman, happens to be a goldsmith and gem setter. He pays very close attention to miniature details in order to give as much texture as possible to the piece. As a matter of fact, when you hold the diamond dragon, and feeling the weight and the texture, you could feel that it's a leather, gold painted, or an assembly of different materials in order to make it as real as possible. FYI, the piece is not for sale. However, it comes with a Scandinavian saga that tells the actual legend tale of that fantastical beast. The second piece we got our hands on is the Chanel Premiere Midnight in Vendôme. It's a unique piece, which is a frog made of brushed gold with 2 citrines set as the eyes. And it's a table clock rig set with a dial in the actual mouth of the frog, where you have 34 baguette cut diamonds and a quartz movement. You can actually have a side ring of 18 karat gold with 1 sapphire and a few diamonds and onyx. But the actual piece and the beauty of the object is that the stand on which the frog stands is a magnificent piece of ebony wood and obsidian slab. If we want to go deep down into high jewelry pieces, we got our hands on the Graff Gecko. This tiny little lizard that Graff made it extremely special is fully set with diamonds, and you can have either ruby cabochon set in the eyes or tourmaline eyes set with about 2.33 carats of green intensity. The diamonds weighed about 16 carats, all around which we could find an articulated head, little tail, and the actual body crafted in losange scales. The last piece that we wanted to talk about doesn't happen to be a true jewelry piece nor an actual object that we put on a stand table. It's a knife. It's Giberg. They introduced the URT Calibri, which is a watch on which you can see its case made of mother-of-pearl marquetry. They went further in the creating process, where offering this unique watch, it comes with a finely crafted matching knife where you can see the exact same mosaic inlay, where you can spot hundreds of tiny diamond-shaped pieces of black mother-of-pearls that are meticulously arranged in the best way to catch that great light. It's a great object that you want to keep at all times in your pocket, and when you look at it very closely, it really is a jewelry work setting.